Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I will show you how you can use this crimping tool set from Parkside with 1801 pieces included for easy crimping of wire and ferrules as per. Nice plastic case, the fastest unboxing, the tool, manual. So inside we have 40 red 10 square millimeter, 60 yellow 6 square millimeter, 100 gray 4 square millimeter, 450 2.5 square millimeter blue, 450 black 1.5 square millimeter, 200 red 1 square millimeter, 200 gray 0.75 square millimeter, and 300 white 0.5 square millimeter. And the length for all this, it is 10 millimeter. Perfect. I like the case. Everything organized at the correct position. And there is then the tool, 0.25 to 10 square millimeter, AWG23-7. Parkside. I like the red and the black. Just pull that and release, and then you can just use it. We can see the hole, how it's closing. Now, obviously, we need cables, correct. There are some cables, different length. I will start with the smaller. I need the white. It is very easy process. Cable goes inside. Unlock. You can do that and with one hand. And then that goes inside. Press. So easy. And that was all. Pull. No, it's not going anywhere. And of course I can do that with pairs, two cables together. I think now I will use the red. Perfect. That was all, so easy. Pull, no, it's not going anywhere. I like it. Now let's move on. Next cable. And I will use again the red. Let's try. Yep, the red. Because it is only one cable. Before it was two cables. And of course, for better result, you can do that again. Wow. And of course, I can try that with pairs. Let's use the blue. Let's try if it will fit. Yep, correct, no problem. The blue. It is so secure. Now, next cable. Let's try this with a gray. I think the blue will be better. Yep, correct. The same process. Wow, it's so strong. It is so easy. If you don't know the diameter of your cable, just try and see what is fitting the best inside. Now let's try it with pairs. two together. And now I will use the gray. Maybe. I need to fit the insulation inside this plastic. So I think let's try the yellow. Now we are okay. Perfect. So strong. Let's move on. Thicker cable. Let's try the gray. I think it is perfect for this diameter. It is 25 millimeter. So fast. And of course you can do 3 cables together. Same diameter or different diameter. Same diameter right now. And I will use the larger one. This is the red. Okay, perfect. All the cables. I need more force right now. Wow. Amazing. So strong. And as I said, you can do that with different cables, different diameters. Let's see what we can use. I didn't use the black. Okay, never mind. It is the same process. Let's try with a yellow. Oh, nice. Are fitting very well. 3 different cables. I think it is 1 millimeter, 1.5 and 2.5. Oh yes, it is so strong. And we can see the results. I like it. So nice. And of course then you can use to any circuit breaker. That's how you will have the correct installation at the circuit breaker. Doesn't matter the diameter. By the way, I have made a video about this circuit breaker. It is for EV charging with a test button. Test regularly. And we can see correct installation. No naked copper. I like it. Nice. And of course you can remove it and reinstall it to other circuit breaker without a problem. It will not damage inside the copper. I like the tool. It feels very nice to my hand. It feels like a premium product. And without a doubt, this is the tool that any electrician must have in his toolbox for correct installation of any cable. That will be very handy for me. So I will keep it and have it at my toolbox and use it whenever and wherever I want. And it only costs 23 euros with all these pieces included. 1,801. I think right now it is less because I have used some of this. I like it, my viewers. Thumbs up. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video, you never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.